Breaking Seed Dormancy by Ricardo Gil and Jose Rodriguez. The seed of various plant species germinate when subjected to a special environment. This resistance to regermination is called seed dormancy. The causes and methods of dormancy breaking are various and have important and varied implications for the natural history and for wild and commercial plants. Dormancy may be the result of physical factors such as thick seed coat, which does not admit moisture of oxygen, of the presence of one or more inhibitors, chemicals in the coat or the seed itself. Many treatments are known to overcome dormancy in seeds, some of which are in common use in agricultural industry. Dormancy has been overcome by changes in the seed coat, reducing its thickness with abrasive, heating the seed in boiling water, or with concentrate sulfuric acid.
Okay. As a methodology, we use 4 species of plants in which they are maize, cannabis, pepper, and beans. We use 70 seeds of each species, and for 6 treatments. The 6 treatments were 1 control, treatments of filling water, 1 with 15 seconds of exposure, 30 seconds of exposure, and 1 minute exposure. In the other 3 treatments, we had vinegar plus water, 50%, and we exposed for a time of 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour. After this treatment, the seeds were put in the absorbent paper, and like this, like you can see in the graphic, and they were saved in the moist environment and checked every 12 hours. As a result, we can see that the treatments were successful on breaking the seeds dormancy, because as you can see in the control, we have a low quantity of and in the other treatments, you can see that there is a lot of seeds that had germinated. In the best treatment you can see is the vinegar plus the water. Okay, so this works for almost every seed. There was an exception, the pepper seeds. Like you can see here in this graphic, the pepper seed didn't break its dormancy in any of the treatments, and this is because the chemical composition of the seed. In the other ones, we can see cannabis and maize that the treatment vinegar water was the better treatment, that breaking of dormancy. And in the bean, you can see that almost every treatment was good to break its dormancy. Okay, as a discussion, we can observe that every species behave differently in its special treatments breaking. You can see that the pepper seeds, because the pepper seeds didn't break its dormancy, and that's because of the chemical composition. They need another kind of treatment to break its dormancy. And in marijuana seeds as well, as well as the maize seeds, they would prefer to break its dormancy the treatment of vinegar plus water. And as long as the treatment of boiling water, they need at least 1 minute of exposure. And that's it.
In the conclusion, we can see that the marijuana and maize seeds need a strong treatment, such as acid, more time in the boiling water to break its dormancy. Pepper seed don't break its dormancy unless you use a treatment that washes away all the chemicals in the seed. The bean seed breaks its dormancy with almost every treatment. And finally, the control shows that the treatment were successful in almost every seed